Welcome to this video on ChatGPT 5, the next frontier. We will explore the features, impact, and future of OpenAI's most powerful artificial intelligence yet. ChatGPT 5 represents a giant leap in intelligence, moving beyond basic pattern recognition to profound logical reasoning. The journey to GPT-5 shows the progression from GPT-3's broad knowledge to GPT-4's human-level exams, GPT-4o's omni-speed, and finally, GPT-5's anticipated superintelligence. Core anticipated capabilities include enhanced reasoning for complex problems, better reliability with fewer hallucinations, and long-term memory for personalization across sessions. Intelligence is being reimagined with GPT-5, suggesting a 10 times increase in reasoning depth. This exponential growth is comparable to moving from a high school level to PhD level expertise. GPT-5 offers native multimodality, built to understand vision, audio, and video simultaneously. It also enables high-fidelity 3D image generation and analysis of emotional nuances in voice interaction. We are witnessing the rise of autonomous agents. ChatGPT 5 will suggest and execute actions through proactive planning, seamless tool proficiency, and agentic workflows for managing long-term projects. GPT 5 is set to redefine every industry, from scientific discovery and research on the left to creative expression and design on the right. This image emphasizes the broad impact of AI across diverse sectors, fostering innovation and efficiency in every field. Transformative use cases include autonomous coding, accelerating drug discovery, and unlocking new potential for digital creativity. GPT-5 is a critical step toward artificial general intelligence, or AGI. OpenAI's goal is to create a universal cognitive assistant that mimics human ability to generalize and learn autonomously.